Welcome sa zip9.com. This video, itutuloy natin yung ating series on rate based on percentage. No? This is the last part of our series at dito sa video na to ay medyo pahapyawan natin yung discount tsaka interest. No? Yung discount tsaka interest kasi related siya sa rate based on percentage. Now, pahapyaw lang ito kasi magkakaroon tayo ng series na separate on discount and interest. No? Mas maraming problems at mas complicated. So dito, very basic lang. Okay, let's have our first problem. We have a t-shirt. A t-shirt is sold, kulang yata ito, is sold at a price of 600 pesos. Oh, I think that's correct. A t-shirt sold at a price of 600 pesos is marked 12% discount. How much is the discounted price? No? So ano ang natin dito? Of course, this is the rate, no? This is the rate. We have 12%. Tapos, I think obvious na ito yung base natin kasi dito tayo mag-multiply. No? So, our base is 600 pesos. We multiply this by the rate. No? So, ang anong natin ay percentage. No? So, from the formula na pinag-aralan natin from the previous videos, we have P equals R times P. So, P equals 12% or 0.12 na, no? Kasi gagawin na natin siyang decimal and sabi natin para maging decimal ang percent, we move the decimal point 2 decimal places to the left. No? So, nandito ang decimal point niyan pag whole number nasa kanan nung pinaka ones digit natin. So, we move 2 decimal places. Magiging 0.12 and then we multiply that by 600. So, P equals 600 times 0.12, so that's 0, 0. 2 times 6 is 12. And then 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 6 is 6. We have 0, 0, 2, 7. We have 2 decimal places here. So mag-move din tayo ng 2 decimal places dito. So P equals 72. 72 ang discount, 72 pesos. So, para makuha natin yung discounted price, ano gagawin natin? Of course, discounted price is equal to 600 minus 72. So, that is equal to 528 pesos. So, ito na yung babayaran natin sa 12% discount. Tama ba? 28 tsaka 72, that's 100. Okay, so 528 pesos. Ito na yung babayaran natin instead of 600 pesos. Next ay 5,000 pesos loan. Kulang tayo dito. We have loan. Has a 15% interest for 1 year. If you loan 5,000 pesos, how much will you pay after a year? So, ano ang base natin dito? We have base equals 5,000. Tapos, ang rate natin ay 15%. Still, anong yung ating percentage, no? 5,000 times 0.15 yung ating percentage, no? So, P is 5,000 times, gagawin natin itong decimal. This is 0.15. So, P equals 5,000 times 0.15. We have 0, 0, 0, 25, 0, 0, 0, 5. So, 0, 0, 0, 5, 7. 15. Tama ba? 0, 0, 0, 25. Then 0, 0, 0, 5. So, 7. Tanggalin natin meron tayong 2 decimal places dito. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 decimal places dito. 750 pesos yung ating interest. So, interest, yung babayaran natin ay, if we let we let A, for example, yung ating babayaran, amount payable, we have 5,000 pesos, yung pinaka-principal natin, plus of course the interest, which is equal to 750 pesos. So, ang babayaran natin ay 5,750 pesos for 1 year kung tayo ay nag-loan ng 5,000 pesos. Okay, so I hope meron kayo natutunan sa ating series na to. Don't worry kung meron kayong medyo kulang yung ating nabayaran sa discount and interest. We'll have a separate tutorials for these topics, no? So medyo madadali lang yung mga problems dito sa video na to, no? Okay, then yung purpose ng video na to is for you to be familiarized with base rate and percentage and of course the calculations. Okay, so maraming salamat. Gusto ko yung invite sa zip9.com, yung ating website, and kung kayo ay nanonood sa YouTube, you can subscribe sa ating YouTube channel sa Zip9 by clicking the subscribe button. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.